Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I know CLAT PG exam is a little far away in December 2024, so it's a little too early to talk about it, but we are still going to do that and I will explain the reason why we are talking about CLAT PG right now in the month of February when we still have around 8 to 9 months to prepare for this exam. But firstly, we will talk about why should you attempt this exam. So we are going to analyze three reasons in this video that why you should go for the CLAT PG 2025 exam, which is supposed to be held in December 2024. Before we do that, if you're somebody who is a serious aspirant and if you need our help or guidance in navigating this exam, we have two very important courses for you. One is the All India CLAT PG Hive course. Other is the LL.M PSU Hive course, in which you will get help for not only CLAT PG but all the other LL.M entrance exams as well. So you can check this out from the link in the description and see if you're interested. Now let's come back to the main topic, which is why you should write CLAT PG 2025 exam. Okay, so the very first reason and the most major reason as to why people would want to write this exam is the brand value of an NLU. Now, many of you might be from non-NLU colleges and you might have always wondered what is it like to study at an NLU. So this is your chance of doing that via the LL.M route. So if you're somebody who wants to do an LL.M for the brand tag, not just for the brand tag, but also for the opportunities that it opens for you to network with your alumni, with your fellow batchmates, the great faculty that they offer, the exposure, and in some NLUs, they also have good placement cells. So if you want to explore all of that, then CLAT PG is the way to go. So this is one of the major reasons, and especially if you want to have a career in academics, then it does matter whether the LL.M college is good or not. So definitely the NLU calling tag is one of the major reasons why you may want to consider taking this exam. Now let's see the second important reason. Second is jobs. We all want to study so that we can get good jobs. That is the primary aim of our education, apart from, of course, our personality development and whatnot. So CLAT PG exam is also important because it can help you get into a PSU. Now we all know that PSUs, especially for legal vacancies, are very rare, and there are not many options as non-lawyers have for getting into PSUs because the seats are very low. There is no consolidated exam. Most PSUs consider their own recruitments, but CLAT PG is one exam that if you have a scorecard of this exam, and especially if you have got a very good rank, mostly under 25, then you have a very good chance of getting a PSU if they advertise. On an average, 2 to 3 PSUs always are there for any given year. So if you want to get a job, if you want to keep that option open, then CLAT PG is the way to go because that scorecard is accepted by a lot of PSUs, and lately even the JAG, that is the Judge Attorney General, even they have mandated CLAT PG scorecard. So if you want to go for these two options, you have no other way except writing this exam and cracking it by a very good rank. So this is the second reason. Especially if you are serious about the second reason, then you should start preparing right now because it is very competitive. Getting a good LL.M college is less competitive than getting a PSU job, because if you want a PSU job, you ideally need to have a all India rank under 20 or under 25 for your chances to be very, very good. So if you're serious, consider starting your preparation from right now, because at the end of this process you may end up with a very good job, and that is a good enough reason to start your preparation early. Now let's see the last reason why many people would want to go for this. That is a backup plan, not just for judiciary, but for anything. For example, if you want to appear for UPSC after your law degree, or if you want to become a judge, or let's say you are preparing for regulatory exams. So for all these reasons, we all know a sad reality that not everybody gets through. Not everybody becomes a judge, not everybody becomes an IAS officer, and not everybody gets into SEBI or RBI. So what do you do then after 2-3 years if you realize that you don't have anything to fall back on? That is a very sad realization. So if you want a backup plan so that later you may have a career in academics also, because if you have an LL.M degree and if you have cleared UGC net, then you are eligible for assistant professor positions as well. So consider it as a backup plan. And if you want a backup plan, then do take CLAT PG exam, because it will at least give you a college from which you can do your LL.M while preparing for your regulatory or competitive exams. So these are the three reasons because of which you may want to write this exam. And if you have decided that you want to pursue this exam, definitely start early, because this will give you a competitive edge. If you have any questions relating to this exam or anything related to the preparation of this exam, do leave a comment. And if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.